Welcome to the first lesson in this course. So in this first lesson we will go over what HTML and CSS actually are and what they do. So first off, this is HTML, this bit of red and orange code. And what HTML basically does is that it tells the browser what it should display. So for instance, if I type here, this is my first website, and save it, ta-da, this is my first website. So that is what HTML does. This, however, looks a bit ugly, right? Well, we can fix this with some CSS. Right here, I have a CSS page which is connected to the HTML page. Right here, I can tell this title to look a bit different. I can, for instance, tell it to be another color. There we go, it just turned blue. Or I can change the font. It's already starting to look a lot better. I can also give it some space around it. And just like that, it went from this to this. This is a really simple explanation of what HTML and CSS do, because they can do a lot. But I hope that you get the point. HTML tells the browser what should be in the page, and CSS makes it look a lot better. Another thing that I should address is that HTML and CSS are not programming languages. What a programming language does is that it takes an input and gives a response based on that input. Well, HTML and CSS don't do that. They just tell the browser what to display. These languages are called markup languages. What I told you, however, is not completely true, because we can do some simple animation and responsive design with HTML and CSS as well. But when we want to add some real functionality to it, we have to add JavaScript, which is an actual programming language that we can use together with HTML and CSS to make our websites even cooler. Hopefully you do now have a simple understanding of what HTML and CSS are and what they do. So let's get on to the next lesson, where we will start to build our first website.